Alright, today we're going to look at the Kyocera Torque. This is a brand new phone from Sprint coming out March 8th. It's one of Sprint's most durable phones and actually one of the most durable Android phones on the market right now. The Torque has a super long battery. It's a 2500 milliamp battery. One of the coolest things about this phone, I think, is that up here in the top section of the phone it doesn't have a speaker at all. It uses a new technology, kind of like a tissue conduction. So it through the vibrations, it can transmit sound. It's actually called a ceramic piezoelectric actuator. It's designed to let construction workers hear in loud environments. So to test it out, I put on a pair of headphones that block out the sound. And I could not hear a single thing this phone was doing until I put this part of the phone on my chin, and through my chin it would vibrate, and I could hear perfectly clear what the person was saying on the other end. Obviously that's not something you can really show on a video, but this is pretty impressive technology. It does use Sprint's Direct Connect with the push-to-talk, so it does connect, just like the Nextel used to do. And it's also drop-proof, almost to 6 feet. Some of the more durable components of the phone, it's supposed to be able to design 10 straight days of 95% humidity, 6 hours of heavy dust or submersion in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. And it's designed to operate at -4 degrees to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's quite the temperature difference that this phone can operate in. As far as the Android system itself, it is running Android 4.0, which is really straight across the board, the same as a lot of other Android phones. Anything that, say like the Evo LTE or the Samsung, the Galaxy series, this phone does everything that they do. One thing I do like about it though is that it does stop scrolling through the windows, like it doesn't circle all the way around like the Galaxies and the Samsungs do. It helps me kind of stay more organized when I don't have to cycle through and keep on repeating all the different windows. Anyway, pretty straightforward with the Android side of things. With this phone, they're claiming an 18.9 hours talk time. It does have a 4-inch screen and a 1.2 gigahertz dual-core processor. It has a front-facing camera as well as a rear-facing camera. The rear is a 5 megapixel. It does have an SD card slot underneath the battery, and that's how the back case stays waterproof. It has 4 gigabytes of internal storage and 1 gigabyte of RAM. And it is one of Sprint's LTE phones. So if you're looking for a super durable Android phone, this is probably going to be your best bet with the water resistance and the drop proofness. Something you can't really beat. Anyway, if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like if this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.